Okay, students, we are going to start with the question of equation. In the equation, we are just solving some question. I think you will know about the equation. Equation is what? Assets is equal to capital plus liability. And then on the basis of this capital plus liability, we are going to make the questions and basis of this equation. Logic is what, beta? In this equation, if you want to any type of change, so you are just going to the write the things of both sides, because both sides will equal, then this equation is proved. One side is assets and second side is liability and capital, and how we are going to purchase and sell of goods and things, what its effect on this equation that we are showing in a question. Okay, let's see, make the performer like that. Assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Okay. Then we are going to start with the first. How we are going to start? This column utilized for the transactions. Okay. You can see in the book this column utilized in the transactions. We have written the transaction in this column, and then the effect of that transaction we are showing on second column. Okay, so then again I am going to start question number 2, question number 1, sorry, and his first is Sandeep started the business with cash. Start business with cash. So first head is cash. In your business, one thing is coming, that is cash, and second is capital, and amount is 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Okay, beta? Then both sides is equal. Every topic after the every transaction we are going to see both sides is coming equal or not. Okay, beta? From 1 lakh. Next is the purchase furniture for cash. Purchase furniture for cash. It's the first. Then second, we are written here purchase furniture for cash, and then see the what effect is coming. If you are purchasing the furniture, then furniture come to you. Come to you, na beta? So one new head is coming, one new head assets is coming. So we are written the furniture here, and furniture amount is 5,000. Okay, that will add, and then that will less from the cash, because the amount paid by the cash 5,000. Then finalize, and the finalize is 5,000. You have the furniture 95,000 cash, and total capital is 1 lakh. Okay, beta? Both sides coming equal, na? That purchase, you are going to purchase the furniture and purchase the furniture, what affecting in the equation that we are showing here. Okay, then go for the next. Purchase goods from 20,000. Purchase goods from 20,000. Okay, beta? So then we are going to purchase the goods. It's the third. One new head, you are going to purchase the goods, then getting the purchase, then getting the goods is new. So write down here goods, and goods value beta 20,000, and that will amount will less from where? Cash. Because purchase in cash, the sure and certain we are going to pay by cash and receive the goods. Then again finalize. Then we have the 20,000 value goods, 5,000 furniture, and 75,000 is cash, and total capital is what? 1 lakh rupees. Then again purchase goods from credit. Now we are going to purchase the goods from credit. Means purchase the goods. We are receiving the goods, but we are not paying the cash. So we are receiving the goods, so we have the goods already. Then add in the goods, but we are not paying cash, then no less from the cash. We are taking on credit, means creditor. We are going to make the creditor on this side, and creditor amount beta 36,000. Okay, the creditor amount is 36,000, and that 36,000 we are showing. Okay, that side make one creditor head, and then so it means total goods 56,000, 5,000 value of furniture, 75,000 gas, 1 lakh capital and 36,000 credit. Okay, clear? Then go for the next. Paid rent 700. Again, fifth 700. Any type of expense will less from cash and capital. Okay, keep your mind. 700 less from here and 700 less from here. Then finalize 5,600, 56,000, 5,000, 74, 300, 99, 300, 36,000. Okay, clear? Now go for the last. Good casting 40,000, sell with the profit of 20%. We are going to sell the casting goods of 40,000. So we are only giving the goods for 40,000, beta. So we are just less from here 40,000. So beta, it's a 6. We are less here 40,000. Okay, 40,000, and we are receiving what money, beta? We are receiving 48,000. 20% of 40,000 is 8,000. It means total we are received 48,000. Then profit of 8,000, and profit will add in a cash and capital. So cash already. Then capital 8,000. Capital here. Now see 16. 5, next 3, 17, 36. Okay, it's a finalized. Both side is coming equal. It means answer is right. Okay, beta. Clear? It's clear, beta. Now I am going for the next question, and next question is question number 2. Okay. Okay, we are going for the next question, and next question start with the Minu start business with cash of rupees 50,000. Okay, beta. So 2 1 is cash is equal to capital and value is what, beta? 50,000 and 50,000. Okay, clear? Up to this is clear? Directly we are going to make first cash and capital. When business will start, so that cash will investing in a business. So cash, okay, beta, and then just transfer in a capital. Okay, go for the next. Next is brought furniture for 500. Again, here purchasing one new head. So we are going to make the furniture head, and furniture value is 500, and less from where? In cash, because is purchasing in cash. Then 500 plus 49,500, and total is 50,000. Its first is finished. Then we are going for the second. Okay. What is the second, beta? Third. Purchase goods on credit 4,000. Purchase goods on credit. Okay. Purchase goods on credit. So we are purchasing the goods for new head, beta. Goods 4,000 on credit, no less from cash. We are going to make the creditor 4,000. Then go for the finalize 4,500, 49,500, 50,000, 4,000. Okay. Fourth. We are going for the fourth. Just see. Fourth is sell goods in cash costing 500 in 700. We are going to sell the goods of 500 in 700. 500 value of the goods, so that will less from the goods, beta. 500 value of the goods is this, but that will sell in a 700. 700 will add in a cash, and 200 is profit will add in a capital, beta. Okay. We are going to give the 500 value of goods, so less from goods 500, then receive 700 to add in a cash 700, 200 profit will add in a capital. Okay, beta. 3,500, 500, 50,200, 50,200, 4,000. Okay, beta. Now going for the 6. Okay, just see the 6. Received rent. The rent received. Any income will add in a cash and capital. 700, 700. Okay. Add in a cash and capital. 35, 5, 50,900. Plus 4,000. Then purchase goods from cash 1,000. He is going to purchase the goods from cash. Goods will come in a business, then add in a goods and less from cash, because we are going to pay by cash. 4,500 goods, 500 furniture, 49,900 cash, 5,900 capital, and then 4,000. Okay, beta. This second column is only for the finalize, and this finalize we are only checked both side is coming equal or not. Okay, beta. Both side will coming equal or not. Okay. Then go for the next. Withdrawal from personal use 700. Withdrawal for personal use. Any type of withdrawal less from cash and capital. 4,500, 500, 49,200, 50,200, 4,000. Okay. Any type of withdrawal, any type of income will add in cash and capital. Any type of expense, withdrawal, loss, that will less from the cash and capital. Okay. Then paid to creditor 400. Paid to creditors, you are going to pay. Pay means pay from the cash. So less from the cash, less 400, and then less from creditor 400. Because creditor will receive money. 4,500, 500, 48,800, 50,200, 3,600. Okay, beta. Then go for the last, I think. Paid for salary. We are going to pay salary, that will less from, again expense, less from the cash and capital 200. 200 less from cash and capital. 4500, 500, 48, 600, 50,000, 36,000. This is the way by which we are going to solve the questions. Okay, beta? Clear? On this way we are solving the question, beta. Okay? Clear? First is what, beta? Business start with the cash, then 50,000 is equal to 50,000 cash and capital. Then purchase furniture for 5,000. You are purchasing the furniture for 5,000. You are receiving 5,000 furniture. We have just put the 5,000 furniture in asset side and less from the where? In cash. Then go for the next. Purchase goods on credit 4,000. The goods new head is there. New head we are going to make, that is 4,000, and we are purchasing on credit, so that will as a credit we are going to make the credit on which side? Credit side or liability side. Then next 500 goods going to sell in 700, so the goods value is 500. That will less from where? That will less from the goods and add that money where? In a cash. And 200 is profit, so that profit we will add in where, beta? In capital. Next 700 received as an income, that will add in a cash and capital. Then 1,000 goods we are purchasing in a cash, so add in a goods and less from cash. Then 400 paid to the 700 expense or rent less from cash and capital. 400 paid to the creditor less from cash and creditor. And last 200 as a salary less from cash and capital. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to present the equation question, and here we are going to write the all sentence or all transaction which is given in the question. I am putting the blank, but you all are right the things. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? Clear, beta? Okay.